3 months. I've been here on Bigo 3 months. Mm. Okay, Richard. Richard. I said Richard. Bye-bye, Richard. Thank you for stopping by on my live stream. So you're used to the good and bad tip. Yeah, I am used to it. Bye-bye. Take care, Richard. I am used to them. But there are so many good people here. Angels that who are humble. Yeah. They support with no they drop gift with no one. They don't want in exchange. Yeah. Like you. Richard, have a good day. And some people here is bad. They tell you what to do, like they are so lastful. Yeah, they are lastful. Daniel, not my bias on XO channel. Yes, I encounter new people here every day. Hi, Paul. Daniel. Yes, everyone has a story. We all suffer, guys. We all, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. Yeah, we just need to be kind. Not anymore. No bong bong bong. We'll just talk about life. Ted, hi Ted. How's the sea? If I wanted a bounce, I'd buy a soccer ball. Hello, Ted. Soccer ball. You're so funny. I mas maganda tong mga funny man. Mga funny kaysa sa mga bastos, no? Shadow is a funny man. Thank you for sharing your time with us. It's nothing. I always go live here. It's nothing. I should be thankful because you talk to me. I'm so boring. Actually, I'm so boring in real life. I'm just always here in my room. I don't go out because I'm a home person. Yes. I don't go out and I'm introvert. hindi siya nagpa-bounce call. Sabi niya, wag na daw ako magpa-bounce kasi basta nakakabastos ng sarili, nakakawala ng... Hindi niya ako nagpa-bounce, mag-drop yan sa akin, hindi niya ako pinabounce. Nag-drop siya sa ng mga anak ko. Sabi niya, no need to bounce daw. Just enjoy my lunch na lang daw, sabi niya. Advance, happy birthday and happy Valentine's. Thank you, pa! You're not boring, just social issues. And that's all. Yes, I am social issues. I am not. I am not. I don't get shy here on live because I'm used to it. I'm used to the camera. Pero in person, I am shy. Hello, Terry. Opo. Sikod. I talk enough for two people. Me too, I talk a lot. I really talk a lot. If the person I'm talking to is, we have the same vibe, yes, I really talk a lot.